Are you wondering how to add a new hard drive or SSD to your PC so it shows up? Well, this is how you make your operating system discover your new device and turn it into usable storage. First thing you're going to want to do is select our Windows search icon and search up Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Select it and it will take you to the screen showing all of your partitions and storage devices that Windows is currently detecting. I am adding a 4TB SSD to my PC, so I'm going to scroll down until I find the disk device that shows a full black bar of unallocated space. We need to left click on the unallocated space, then right click and select New Simple Volume. This will pop up the New Simple Volume wizard and we're just going to select Next. Here it will show us the simple volume size in megabytes, so we don't want to change this value and we want it to match the maximum disk space value above it. So select Next again. Now it'll bring up a pop-up that'll allow us to assign this new drive a letter. You can choose whatever letter you want, so I'm going to go with the letter G. We don't want to select any of these other boxes, so we're just going to hit Next. The next section will have several options. We just want to change the volume label name. This will be the name of the drive we see behind the letter, so make it whatever you want and select Next. The last section will show us an overview of all the settings for this new drive and partition we are creating, so all we need to do is select Finish. It'll take a few moments to create our new partition, and our unallocated partition should now show up as blue and have our drive letter and new volume label name that we just assigned to it. And just to make sure it's working properly, we can go to our File Explorer, select this PC, and our G drive or whatever letter you selected for your new drive should show up. And that's all she wrote. I am ReaperDigital. I hope this video helps, and thank you all for watching. Oh, and I almost forgot, Mr. Skelly has an important message.